This is Matty's baby. Isn't he adorable? He's just going to have feed. Come on, little one. There we go. And we've got a nice warm cloth here for him to lean against, so he's comfortable, and so we can wipe any splashes off him. Come on, baby. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're enjoying that. Say hello to Daddy Matty. He's watching you. That's it. Isn't he a sweetheart? Now the birds you can hear in the background are his parents. Isn't he beautiful? There we go. Good boy. And as you can see, his crop here where his food, his baby formula goes into, is starting to bulge and soften. Okay, little hungry guy. And he's being fed every 4 hours at the moment. There we go. That's a good boy. Isn't he beautiful? So I have a warm cloth, and that's his feed. And the warm cloth is to keep him comfortable and to wipe off any feed off him straight away, any splashes, because any splashes or feed dries hard and crusty and is difficult to remove. I've got some warm sterilised water here. That's it, baby. Say hello to your daddy. Isn't he beautiful? Yeah. This is your baby. Isn't he gorgeous? He's a little sweetheart. Bye for now, Daddy.